choosing the right holster for concealed carry can be just as important as choosing the right gun. In this video, I'm going to give you the 3 steps to choosing the right holster for concealed carry. Let's do it. Hey guys, and welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. All right, let's get right into what you need to know to choose the right holster for concealed carry. The first step is choosing the right gun. Now, I know that this may seem kind of silly because obviously you wouldn't be choosing a holster without having a gun, but you want to make sure that there are actually holster options for the gun that you pick.
You must choose, but choose wisely.
For instance, if you get some sub-niche variation of a popular handgun, but your particular version is not that common, like you've got a longer barrel or a longer slide, then you may have a hard time actually finding a holster option that works well for it. Because you have a weird gun. Sorry.
How dare you!
Once you have picked a common handgun, the next thing that you need to understand to choose the right holster is holster safety. And guys, this is by far the most important. I have 4 basic safety requirements to consider a holster safe. First, a holster must cover the trigger guard completely, no wiggle room. A holster must hold the firearm securely, and a holster must also allow you access to the firearm consistently, and the holster cannot collapse on itself when the gun is drawn. It has to hold its shape. This usually means a quality Kydex holster that is made specifically for your gun. I get a lot of flack from leather holster guys over this, but gotta tell you what I really think. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
All right, so once you've checked all the safety boxes, the next one is crucial. But before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to conceal, then I've got something that will really help you out. The Concealed Carry Starter Kit is a short, practical guide that walks you through what gun to choose, the best carry positions, choosing the right holster, and what other self-defense tools you might need. It's everything that I wish I knew when I first started carrying 10 years ago. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. Check it out in the description down below. All right, the last one is choosing a position and style. There are really only 2 positions to carry inside the waistband: strong side and appendix carry. Personally, I think that appendix carry is better pretty much in every way. It's faster, it's easier to get to in awkward positions, it's harder for an attacker to take away from you, it's much easier to safely, slowly watch your gun go into the holster, but it doesn't work for everyone, and I get that. If you just don't feel comfortable carrying your gun there, then there's nothing that I can say that will convince you otherwise. I get it. You're a big boy, you make your own choices. Or if you've got a gut like I have a couple times in my life, then it may be harder to conceal in the appendix carry position. Not impossible, but definitely harder. So if appendix carry is just not for you, then strong side is still a good option. There's definitely some more challenges with concealment with strong side depending on your build, but like I said, it's not a bad option. I carried that way for a lot of years. The last choice that you need to make is the style of your holster. If you're carrying in the appendix position, do you want a sidecar style holster or a separate mag carrier or just a simple holster with no mag carrier? Do you want a wing or no wing? Metal DCC clips or plastic clips? If you're carrying strong side, do you want soft loops or a monoblock clip? The options are honestly endless. All of these things are preferences, and I can't really give you which option is best because you're gonna pick the option that works best for you and what you want to wear every day. For me, most of the time, I carry just a simple holster with a monoblock clip or the DCC clips. And if I carry anything else in my waistband, it's usually just my snake staff tourniquet instead of a spare mag. But like I said, you do you. Let me know in the comments what carry positions you've tried and what have you landed on. Are you a strong side guy or an appendix guy? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.